Suicide continues to be a growing concern in our society, especially with the loss of some beloved celebrities. Usually, suicide isn't even discussed in the media as much because of a phenomenon called contagion suicide or suicide copycat. Studies have found that being informed of a suicide can increase another person committing suicide. Popular shows for teenagers have also increased the opportunity to talk about suicide. Suicide continues to be the second leading cause of death for young people between the ages of 10 to 24. In 2016, the CDC found that nearly 45,000 people died by suicide in the United States alone. The hardest part is bringing up the subject of suicide. Just keep it simple. Ask them if they've ever heard about suicide and what's their understanding. Just listen. Teach them at an early age about open communication and let them know suicide is not something to joke about. Studies show that talking about suicide with your child can help reduce suicidal ideation. Some warning signs you can look for include isolation, being in the room all the time, being by themselves, sad affect, crying, tearfulness, anhedonia, no longer doing the things they once enjoyed, mood swings, going from happy to sad to angry, drug use, finding drug paraphernalia, change in appetite or sleep, indifference, not caring about anything, giving things away, some of the treasured objects, finding a suicide note, following a big crisis, and finding signs that they've hurt themselves, whether it's cuts in their arms, burns, or bruises. As your child talks to you about suicide, just listen, be supportive, then seek help. Do not keep it a secret. If your child tells you that they think they're in danger of harming themselves, please call the crisis hotline. 1-800-273-8255. If they are in an immediate danger, please dial 911 or take them to the nearest emergency room. Another resource is the Suicide Prevention Lifeline. Please take suicide seriously. It could save a life.
Suicide is not a joke. Please talk to your child about suicide.
For more detailed information on talking to your child about suicide, please visit my website at livewithcouragenow.com/suicide. And subscribe to my blog and channel to get more information on parenting tips and mental health issues.